guys, so today I'm going to be testing out this store-bought lab putty, and it's from World Market. It reacts to UV light, so that's why I thought it was interesting. It says Magic Fluorescent UV Reactive Lab Putty, and it comes with the little LED light, or LED scribbler they call it. And yeah, I just thought it was interesting because it's like UV reactive, so I wanted to try it out and see how good the putty is and see if it actually reacts to UV light. Just watch the putty change color as you doodle with UV light, and doodles fade and putty returns to its original color, so the fun never stops. And I wonder what color the putty actually is, if it's like white and then it actually looks like that. So let's just see if it's anything like what it looks like on the package. Definitely works, and it's actually really cool. I it shows up really quick, but it also fades away really quick. So I don't know what you could really draw on here, because it definitely fades away really fast. And so like I tried to just draw like a heart, and even that was kind of hard to do. So yeah, it's definitely fun though, because you can just, you know, wave around the light, and then you have it changes colors. So that's a lot of fun. And I mean, it's just fun to watch it change colors. Even if, you know, I wasn't really able to draw anything, I tried to write hi. That also didn't work out, just because it faded away way too quickly. But yeah, when I first took it out of the package, the putty was kind of like really hard, but as I warm it up, it's a lot stretchier. So yeah, I think this is really fun, especially if you like to play with putties. This light just adds a lot of fun to it, because you can quickly change the color just like that, and it changes to this blue color. And if I hold the light here for a long time, it gets darker and darker. So I thought that's also cool. And then you can mix it up. And so yeah, this is the lab putty, the UV reactive one. So yeah, thanks for watching.